Hi all, in this video, we will continue topic 3 cost behavior. In this video, I will teach everyone step by step how to separate our mixed cost using HighLow method and how to form a cost function which is y equal a plus bx. Let's see the example. Okay, cost function. This is our cost function, yeah? Y equal a plus bx. Y is mean total cost, which is in measurement of RM, total cost. Yeah? Y is RM, total cost. A, it refers to our total fixed cost. This is our A. B, X, it means total variable cost. X here, I already explained. X from the previous video, I already explained to everyone. X can be unit or hours except RM because Y is RM measurement. X is other than RM, maybe unit, hours. B will be variable cost per unit. Again, I repeat, cost function is formed by Y equal A plus BX. Y is total cost, which is must be in RM measurement. A, it means total fixed cost. BX, total variable cost. Total variable cost we separate to BX. B stand for variable cost per unit. X stand for measurement either in or unit or hours. X can be any of measurement except RM. Let's see the question example as below. Yeah? So this is the example for our production and total costing. And we need to use high-low activity method to separate our mixed cost to variable, fixed cost, and form a cost function. Step 1, when we see this kind of question, first thing, high-low method, we are using high unit activity and lowest unit activity. So what that we want to take note is our production unit. This is our X. And total cost in mean measurement, total Y. HighLow method, we will choose the higher X and lowest X. So we will highlight our X, highest and lowest X. So let's do it together. For the production, the highest will be on September. Is it? Okay, 18,000. This is our highest, yeah? Okay, so we highlight it. This is our highest unit. Okay. Continue, we will highlight our lowest unit, yeah? Lowest will be on January, 16,000. Okay, let's just mark it. Oh, sorry. So this is the highest X, lowest X with total. This total Y. Okay, once we highlight it, we will put on our table. like this. Just now we already highlighted our X, the highest X and the lowest X, 18,000, 16,000, 18,000 X, total Y 15,000, 16,000 X, total Y 14,000 from the table itself. Yeah? So you can, after we highlight, we just put on this table. Okay, so we will continue. Our first question, to find out variable cost per unit. To find out variable cost per unit, we need to use our formula. Let's see what is the formula for it. Yeah? Okay, to find out variable cost per unit, we will use the cost function y equal a plus bs. Variable cost per unit, our b, our b is based on formula cost at higher level activity minus cost at lower activity, and highest activity minus lowest activity, divide it. And just now we already highlighted all this activity. Just we need to put into our formula. Let's do it together. Yeah? Okay. This is the table that we prepare just now. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, wait, yeah. Okay, okay, for this, first we know that we will use the highest y minus lowest y. So we will use formula 15,000 Okay, so let's do it together. We will use our highest, this our highest, lowest data. So y, our formula y highest minus y lowest divide x highest minus s lowest. All this data we take from this table. Yeah, just now we already highlighted. So 15,000 minus 14,000 divide 18,000 minus 16,000. So we will have the answer Rm 1000 divide 2000. So variable cost per unit is 50 cents. So the answer 50 cents. Again, I repeat, to find out variable cost per unit, we will use our formula y, the highest y minus lowest y, and divide with x highest minus s lowest. This all we can find out from our table here. Okay, this is the higher activity that we highlighted, lowest. So we will minus out our highest minus lowest, divide highest minus our lowest activity. So we will have 15, 50 ringgit, 50 cent for variable cost per unit. So we already find out our variable cost per unit is 50 cents. Let's see how to find out total fixed cost. To calculate total fixed cost, we will use our cost function y equal a plus bx. Okay, we already find out b. B it means 50 cents. Just now we already find out from previous slide. So now we want to find out total fixed cost. Let's do it together. We will find out fixed cost at lower activity, which is 16,000. Or we will put x as for 16,000 unit, yeah, based on this equation, yeah. Let's do it together. Okay, let's see. Okay, in this case, our y is 40,000. A, we don't know. A is mean fixed cost, what that we want to find out now. So we just put A plus B. B just now we already find out is 50 cents per unit. And total unit, we use the lower activity now. So we will put S as 16,000. So we find it A plus 50 cents multiplies with 16,000, we will got the answer 8,000. So to find out A, we will take 14,000 minus 8,000. So our total fixed cost will be 6,000. Just now, we use the lowest activity to find out our fixed cost. Okay, so we will put ours x 14 x 16,000. Our total y, total cost 14,000. We don't know our a, but we can find out based on our cost function y equal a plus bx. Okay, again, I want to repeat. Total cost will always be y. This one will be x. We already find out our b. This is our b, yeah? So this is our b. We already find out our variable cost per unit just now, 50 cents per unit. So we don't know. We don't know this one, a we don't know, but we can find out based on our equation y equal plus a plus bx. So we replace our total cost 14,000 and our x 16,000, and we find out our fixed cost will be 6,000. Now let's try to use the highest activity. If let's say we use highest activity, is it our fixed cost still will be remain 6,000 or not? Let's do it now. Okay, so for this question, we will use the same equation, yeah? But now we try to use our higher activity. Just now we used lower activity, yeah? So now we will try to use our lowest activity, which this one is our y, this is our x. As I mentioned before, our y will be always in Rm, our x will be other than Rm, unit measurement whether in unit or hours. Yeah. So let's do this equation together. Just now we already find out our B is 50 cents. So our Y is, if let's say we use highest activity are 15,000. A, we don't know. We don't know our A. We want to find it now. Our B, 50 cents. Multiplies with our X. Our X, 18,000. So we will multiply it. A, we don't know, but we can find out based on our equation. Yeah. So 0.5 multiplies with 18,000. What is our answer? I mean, we got our 9,000. So our A equal to 15,000 minus 9,000. We also get 6,000 for our fixed cost. So as a conclusion, our fixed cost will remain the same no matter you use high activity or lowest activity. Like just now, we use lowest activity. Yeah? We use lowest activity to find out our fixed cost. We got 6,000 and continue we use our lowest cost, higher cost. We will get the fixed cost 6,000 also. So fixed cost as a conclusion, fixed cost will remain constant no matter unit or production changes. Yeah? Last, just now we already find out our cost function. B, it means variable cost per unit. We already find out is 0.50 cent, our 50 cent. A, it means total fixed cost. Total fixed cost, we have 6,000. No matter you use higher level or lower level unit activity, you still can find out our fixed cost is 6,000. So cost function that we can form is Y equal A, it means 6,000, yeah, plus BX, it means 0.5x. So this will be our cost function for this question. Y equals 6,000 fixed cost plus 0.5 variable cost per unit and multiply with X. That's it for this video. I hope everyone understand how to find out variable cost per unit, total fixed cost, and how to form cost function after this video. Thank you for watching.